you're feeling right, yo. What it? I'm gonna give some praise. I'm gonna give some praise. Give thanks and praise to the Most High Empire Selassie the first. Jah Rastafari, give thanks for the gathering, give thanks for the love, the support. And we also give thanks for those who still respect conscious music, good music. Mr. Islaway, big up yourself in the house. You don't know, original Jalove. You don't know. Yeah, Mr. Fred Locks, big up yourself, said we. All of the elders in the house tonight, so. I could just run it through, because we have a flight to catch, so you don't know. Ricky Trooper, big up yourself, said we. Sing at you, my friend. Oh, go. Oh, yo. Yeah. Listen. For the moment you're feeling right, you're the mood and the time are ideal. She says she never knew it. Says she never knew it till a Rasta man come in your life. For the moment you're feeling right, you're the mood and the time are ideal. She says she never knew it. Says she never knew it till a Rasta man come in your life. I pay the dues, I send no rules to you. I make myself most available. So when she see me, she could look into my eyes. Tell her the truth and I will never say a lie. All years of your life, memories on your mind. For the moment you're feeling pull. Give me an next track there. Yo, big up the Iron Chat family in the house. I Javette, big up yourself anywhere you're there. All the ladies. If I believe in love, yes I believe, yeah, love. Once and that's true, yeah, go. I make a sacrifice for you, for the big man and you to just go through. Yes, if you believe in yourself, I know everyone here tonight, if you believe in yourself, I want everyone to do like this with one hand. Let me see all the people who believe in themselves. Never let anybody discourage you in anything that you have the passion for. Listen. Persistence is to try through this precious time. Can't give up the fight. Rastafari. Well, I said the Gideon now. I now the fight is just perseverance. Yeah. Oh, listen. Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. Can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you're down and in distress, never make Babylon know you weakness. All when your burden is the heaviness, never make them know. Hear why them system of fraud. Struggle is not easy, the harder to you is hard. Now go sell up my soul fi get no round of applause. Positive movements, no negative thoughts. Tell them clean in them heart. Things what them do is not what we do, and things what them say is not what we say. Things what they preach, not what we preach. Message at Trinity, them take the mark of the news. Persistence is to try through this precious time. Can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you're down and in distress, never make Babylon know you weakness. All when your burden is the heaviness, never make them know. Hear why? It takes persistence to put through your work. Firm up yourself, seek salvation first. If just say a blessing, no Eden, if a curse. Renegade one fee, marshal the earth. Can't skylark on street unlocks. Man fi militant and no dump from search. Know before you defile yourself with your words. Purge out your system first. Persistence is to try through this precious time. Can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you're down and in distress, never make Babylon know you weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest, never make them know. Hear why? Morning and noon, evening and dawning, giving Jah praises. All when nothing a gone, my belly start yawning, still give Jah praises. With all the burden by your shoulder, Rasta your day as so fi conquer. Lord, yeah. Hear what? Persistence is to try throughout this precious time. Can't give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you're down and in distress, never make Babylon know your weakness. All when your burden is the heaviest, never make those for that. Yes, give thanks and praise. Yeah, man, give thanks to be here once more. It's a joy, it's a pleasure. You know what I'm saying? It's not about the big crowd, it's about the people who love authentic music. And we love conscious music. We love message music. That is how it was brought up in the 90s. Yeah, man, Tyrical, big up yourself anyway you're there. Yeah, one of the real youths in the business. Yeah, man, run it, next track. Now this one is dedicated to all the rude boys. We're living in sweet paradise. We want to protect it, don't it? Yeah, now. All who said no to violence, bust out in the hand, bust out in the hand. Hey! Park your guns, bad boy. No more killing spray, no shoot up barrel. Yeah, now. I said killing uptown, I'm killing downtown, killing all around. You see Rastafari want I to stick around, so I won't play no clown. It goes something like this. Hey! Park your guns, bad boy. No more killing spree. No shootout parade. Man feel it free. No big money spend. No shotting and no head card. Every get a youth to live. Hey! Park your guns, bad boys. No more killing spree. No shootout parade. Man feel it free. No big money spend. No shotting and no head card. Every get a youth to live. Hey! I'm here top thing. Dapper than thing. Every man a listen to them own thing. Up here. Bling, them now hear the king. That's why them confused and frustrated. I say, the life you live is the road you choose, yeah. Living good and not to be confused. Oh, I know it's the wages of life. Oh, I know it's the wages of life. Makes no sense, create no enemies. Whoa. Long life and liberty. And as I say, protect your life. Park your guns, bad boy. No more killing spray. No shootout parade. Man feeling free. No big money spend. No shot. Who love that? Next track. Now this one is for all bad-minded people. Listen. Oh, cha. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hey, listen to what I do. Oh yeah, them never want see me strive. So them set all bad road in my life. Yeah, never. Yeah. Oh, Jack. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Wanna sing? Oh yeah, them never want see me strive. So them set all bad road in my life. Yeah, never want see me strive. So them set up bad road in my life. Oh, but I know what's burning you. Bad mind will kill you. I don't know what's burning. They don't die to you. I don't know you. What's wrong? Them never want you. One more time. Oh, cha. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Listen. Oh, yeah. Them never want to see me strive. So them set all bad road in our life. Yeah. Never want to see me strive. So them set all bad road in our life. Whoa, but I know what's burning you. Bad mind will kill you. And I know what's burning. No, don't go into your heart. Oh, no, go into your heart. But so, them never want to see me strive. So them set up bad road in our life. Yeah, never want to see we strive. Who we are talking? It's a government. Chief of staff. Look how much ghetto you down in the ghetto are dead off. Suffering children on the street at night. You abuse them for them culture, them equal rights. See, and him know what I want. Got to the redemption. We are chanting Gido. And in a Babylon, no, you not go go. Whoa, but I know what's burning you. But mine I kill you. And I know what's burning. No, you don't know your own. And I know your own. They never want to see me strive. So them set a bad road in my life. Yeah, never want to see me strive. So them set up, here. Emperor, Selassie, I guide and protect. No Babylon can bust up Rasta man dead. In a the Gideon, no for them I go sweat. Revolution just start, them think them here not no yet. I'm a Gideon soldier, come make we march. Light up the torch when Kete drum a bark. All a King's House policeman, them dead off. Tell the Prime Minister, Jamaica house no want. Roaring with fire from the eyes. I mean, from here so under no fastness. A revolution of his start. Blood in a me eye. Figure tell you them and them will in your prison. Election now from the puller. Paper missing batwa. Rasta man there to burn them skin. Them down in a vanity, corruption, nonsense. And them the bloody meat and them don't want your leaking. See and knows. On every day, them what I want. Whoa, next shot. Next shot. I'm gonna leave you with this one. Not try to be a hero. I not done zero. Here, see them now. Big long gun go up at them yard.
No, Norris man. You know, so when I'm virgin, you tell myself to tell enough to sing that song, but guess what? Well, I know Norris, me think you already know. Because you know, say dancehall Thursday and rubber over two different things. So you see when a dancehall Thursday, you shoot down the whole place. You see when the party, you see whole everything where you do Switzerland, Amsterdam, Belgium, and the white people, them say, oh my God, and jump on the neck. I don't want them to keep, so you know me, want a different acapella. You have to give me a cappella, but me don't want the long gun over there yard. Them are lyrics are where I chat before long gun. None gun need nobody need for foul. Listen me, man. Man, ramping me now. You carry one big super something. Man, ramping me now, king. Me want hear one different song. And me sit down right here so and listen to every word I. Cause you is very intellectual.
That's why you have to listen to the song, because this song wasn't instigating violence. So, listen. For a country, them tell me that is suffering, and so much AK rising. Preacher man stop the racketeering. See the conquering lion better fear him. Him say love, but them never hear him. Them keep on mocking and jeering. And as a judgment in them soul, yo, death is in them way. Big long gun go over them yard, kill Uncle Joe and Auntie Dog. Them a get to youth your move on. Big long gun go over them yard, kill Uncle Joe and Auntie Dog. Them a get to youth your. Give thanks and praise unto the Most High God, Selassie the first. Rastafari. Sing a Jay, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself.
Norris, before you go, me sure know say if the year another name invited, you wouldn't forward, you know. So because of me and my manners when me after you over the years when me just know the eye of the studio, I know say the eye not live in Jamaica anymore. And I respect the eye for taking time, everything that you have that you could have been doing at this moment to be at this event. I felt it, brother, and you know that's the respect that I have for you for years. However, ladies and gentlemen, I want everyone that is leaving here tonight